Bullish on XRP. That's what this video is about. Going to give you a few reasons why, and they're not the obvious ones. I'm not really actually talking about the SEC lawsuit and the settlement of that is coming probably in the first half of 2023. We will expect that. But that's actually not one of the reasons that I'm talking about being bullish on XRP. By the way, my name is Austin. Creating this video for the ClearCryptos channel. If you haven't done so, subscribe. Want to learn more about Clear? Links in the description below. Check them out. A lot of cool utility, and they're doing some revolutionary stuff. So let's talk about what is going on and a bullish indicator that, quite frankly, I wasn't even aware of. Okay, so the crowd is bullish on XRP despite the SEC saga. So on-chain analytics portal Sentiment has gone out and basically measured the sentiment, how people feel about XRP. And it's really kind of interesting. They are the most euphoric about XRP above how they feel about Ethereum. And they don't mention it here, but most likely even Bitcoin. So the overall market, how we feel about XRP is more strongly than we feel about Ethereum and Bitcoin. I thought that was very, very, very profound. Get it out, Austin. Okay. So, that, which does kind of come back to price and all those kind of things. Now, bottom line, the price of XRP is really not going to do much until the overall crypto market turns bullish. We get positive sentiment coming back into crypto. All that said is a baseline. All right. Now, but this sentiment indicator, which judges sentiment, how we feel, sentiment, right? How we feel about crypto is an interesting one. It's more of an intrinsic thing, and it's more one that you don't really pay attention. I didn't know this was a thing, honestly. I mean, I knew about sentiment, but I didn't know that this was XRP, oriented. I didn't know this was how we felt, and it makes sense because I think the euphoria is starting to ramp up because of the SEC lawsuit, probably going to be settled in the first half of 23. But I think it's more. I think it's more bigger than that. I think that people know that XRP is going to rise from the proverbial, ashes, if you will. Not that it went anywhere, but you get my point. Sorry, my nose itches. I will always remind you that Ripple is that Ripple, which is behind XRP, is a business. They have a real world global business that solves problems, utility, right? And that will always be, the case of whatever, irrelevant of what happens here in the States with the SEC lawsuit. And that's the other thing. Another reason I think that people are very bullish on it is that their business will only get bigger over time. Okay, so food for thought. And as always, that's all I'm gonna end there. Thank you for your time. Links in the description below. Check out Clear. Lots of good stuff happening. We'll see you. Bye.